Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Why are we here, my darlings? I'll tell you why we are here. Kristy and Desmond have broken up. When I tell you broken up, Kristy has filed for divorce. For those of you that are saying to yourselves, who is Kristy and who is Desmond? And what kind of introduction is this, Fums? What kind of introduction is this? You don't even talk to us anymore the way we want you to talk to us. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? I hope all is well over there with you. How is the new year setting out? It's a bit bumpy for me, but God knows I'm hanging in there. All right. So I'm talking about influencer Kristy Scott, known online as Kristy Sarah on TikTok and Instagram, has filed for divorce from her husband, Desmond Scott. Wow. Citing infidelity according to TMZ. The couple met when they were 14 years old and later married in their early 20s. They share 2 children together, Vance and Weston. You know what's sad? They just finished their house. If you see their house, they built this house from the ground up. She has about 9 million plus followers on Instagram, and she's at every fashion show that you can think of. I love her. I think that she is adorable. I loved him too. I love them even more together. It goes on to say, Desmond Scott breaks his silence and apologizes after Kristy Scott files for divorce. After 11 years of marriage, I made choices I'm not proud of and took responsibility for those actions. I want to begin by apologizing to Kristy, our family, and everyone who has been impacted by the public attention surrounding this situation. I know this news has been disappointing for many, and I'm truly sorry for the hurt that it has caused. Kristy is the mother of my children, and that will always come first. I remain fully committed to being an active, present, and loving parent to our boys, as I have always been. Kristy and I faced challenges that made sincere efforts to work through them. Towards the end of 2025, I wanted to separate, and I had conversations with Kristy regarding this. During this period, I made choices that I am not proud of. I took responsibility for those actions, and I shared this with her directly and personally, and ultimately we decided to divorce. I ask for privacy and compassion as we navigate this difficult chapter of our lives. Thank you to everyone who has supported us over the years. I'm grateful for the support, and I will continue sharing my love for cooking and the things that inspire me. I hope you'll continue that journey with me. Desmond and Kristy are Jehovah's Witness. And Jehovah's Witness, correct me please if I am wrong, I don't think that they embrace divorce, so to speak. I don't think that's a thing that they embrace. Let me just double check this. I only say this because Christina, my beautiful Christina. Hi, Christina. I love you. I miss you. She is Jehovah's Witness. So Jehovah's Witness view marriage as a permanent sacred union and teach that the only scripted grounds for divorce with a possibility of remarriage is sexual immortality. Keep that in your back pocket. You know why? Because our beautiful Desmond wanted to separate for whatever reason and for a whole bunch of reasons. And I think that because divorce is not really an option when it comes to Jehovah's Witness, he stepped out of that marriage because he knew that with that then he could leave. I wish them the best. They met at 14, they married in their 20s, and they've got 2 beautiful young children. Life is hard, relationships are harder, and we evolve every decade. If the 25-year-old Fumi would walk in front of the 56-year-old Fumi today, we don't have anything in common. We don't have anything in common. I've changed so much. And sometimes we change out of relationships. It's neither here nor there. It's just what it is. And it's very difficult when you have a relationship in the spotlight, because you are hiding in plain sight. There are circumstances, situations that happen behind the scenes, and regardless, the show must go on. It's a show. It's not reality for a lot of influencers, actresses, singer-songwriters. That life that is shown to you is not even theirs. There are some times I could really say that I would look at episodes of me and I'm not her. She's glamorous, she's got her makeup, hair and everything, she looks fabulous. That's what I do. That's not who I am. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm trying to drive a business. I have my off days when I don't wear makeup, when I really look busted. And to feel better, I'll be like, Fumi, you look good in this episode, you look cute, you know. But it's not my life every day. And it's one of the reasons why Ula and I made a conscious decision that, Fumi, you will drive this bus. You will be on this channel. We will not be on the channel together because I'm white, because you are black. Do that mixed couple drive. We will not do it. If you cannot carry this show yourself, you cannot carry a show. End of. I have my life. I have my career. I have my own things that I live and love. And I don't want Adrian on the show. And I agreed to it. And thank you, Father, that I stuck with it. Because real life sometimes is hard. And you have to push all of that and come onto the show. It has to be hard for her. I see all of her antics on her social media. This is work. This is getting a nanny for the children. This is getting a whole bunch of wardrobe. This is you filming. This is you having a filming crew. This is you going onto location. This is you having all of that. And then you're just spreading it out onto your platform because you have another life. Because there does come a time when you just cannot have the camera in front of your face anymore. You just cannot. And if you do this for as long as I've done this, we're going on the 12th year and I film every day. And if I'm not filming, I'm taking photo shoots. If I'm not doing photo shoots, I'm doing brand collaborations. If I'm not doing brand collaborations, I'm doing stuff with my brand. Fumi, where are the t-shirts? Fumi, where are the bras? Fumi, we want this. Fumi, we want that. Every day, you got to love it. But maybe your partner might not. From what he has told me, from what I've read about Jehovah's, and looking at him, he looks very much like an introvert. He can't do it like Kristy can do it. And perhaps, just perhaps, it just became too much. To build a house like that, they got the coin in millions. And she deserves it. But money will never ever make you happy. If you think money will make you happy, it will only allow you to cry in your mansion. But it will not give you, it will not extend to you happiness. That happiness, you got to find that elsewhere. And that can even lead to depression because you're supposed to be happy. You have a beautiful, successful wife. You have beautiful children. You live in this wonderful, weather-permitting California. And you're a chef. What's closer to love than food? What's closer? But I'm not happy. I'm not happy. It's not what I want anymore. And I don't know why I don't want it. And it took so long for me to even have the courage to say that I don't want this. Because it's all in stages. And I'm so sorry for the two of you, as beautiful and as young and as blessed as you are. I wanted everything for you. I am so sorry. I wish you the best individually. And I want you to know that this is life. You evolve. Don't pinpoint to each other. Don't. Raise your children and thank God for the good times. He will always be your best friend, somebody that you can trust, the father of your children, and Desmond vice versa. Find your happy, truly. And it's so sad. It's so sad because you are loved so very much indeed. Darlings, drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. And I will see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. It's so funny because this dress I bought from Guess in California. And it has to be about 20 years old. This dress is older than my marriage. Yeah. It's absolutely older than my marriage. And we are going 17 years now. Yeah. It is what it is. Some of us are born for this. And some of us are not. It's a tough one. It's a tough ride. I wish you all of the best. To all of you.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
Oh my God, I am so excited. I am so excited, my darlings. We have officially launched the FDV website, and we have what? We've got products, we've got merch, we've got tote bags. I am so excited with the thicker straps that you can carry with you, and you can take this to the gym. It's a sports bag. You can take it to the gym. You can take it to the supermarket. You can take it to work. It's got the logos on both ends. And I'm going to show you something also. You have a magnetic clip, so you can clip it in. It will hold in together. Also, when you pull it apart, you will have the label also in the bag, and then you've got a big purse right here to put all of your keys. But guess what? Multi-purpose, my darling. You can also fold this bag. So I'm going to show you as is. You just turn it in like so on both sides. There you go. You fold it. Guess what? You fold it into the opening pochette. And there you go. There you go. So you can have this as an extra shopping bag. You can have this as an extra bag when you're going anywhere, even on the airport when you're traveling. It's so handy. So handy. It's a canvas bag. It is absolutely washable. It does not change. And we have it in pink. We have it in orange. We have it in sky blue, of which I live and love. Yes, and then we also have it in ice cream because I love ice cream, and I also love yogurt. So baby girl, you are looking absolutely cute. I hope you enjoy these, my darlings. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for riding with me. This is just the beginning, because the bras are coming, the slips are coming, the panties are coming, the makeup, the skincare, the Afro hair care kit is coming. It's all coming, my darling. This is a black-owned brand, and I am self-funded. My financier is my wonderful husband. Thank you. Thank you, Ula. Thank you for the unconditional love and support. I could never do any of this without him. You're so generous. And God bless you. And God bless you too, my beautiful Fumi Nation. And I am so excited. The link is below. And I will be sharing how to wear the t-shirts, different styles, different suits for you. Thank you so very much. God bless. Bye-bye. Yay! We have launched. We have launched. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. I am so excited. I am what? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.